He don't have a 125. Stu have a 125 right here?
He's been begging for one over there.
Dude, weighing in at 220 pounds, the poor guy that lets me use their bike, if we can find one.
I need a YZ 125 for Stu Baylor. Stu's gonna go out against Ryan Sipes.
So Wes calls me up, he's like, you want to do a 125 race with Jimmy D? I was like, I don't have a 125. Well, don't worry, we got one. It's fresh. Not that fresh.
Quick sticker swap, man. Dude, Verb Moto's here. I gotta look legit, man. I'm even matching.
I didn't want to show him up too bad, so I just let him go around me, you know what I'm saying?
Awesome place. I'm glad we made it out. You know, we talked a lot, and hopefully we can get some things in the works.
You never know what Stu's going to say, though. He's got a lot of words in there. If you let him talk, he will talk. Just keep talking.
There's absolutely no excuse. Any of the guys out there on the 125, the third day I said this week, just riding with Ryan. Here comes the second part of the race.
There he is.
Oh, watch this. Come on, you got it. Oh, he almost had it. Oh, he got it.
I think all three of us, somebody handed us a 125. We went and did one lap on the track, and that was all the preparation we really had. It was the most fun I've had on dirt bike in a long time.
Yeah, they were running good. I mean, I know I've been around with Stu on his 450. That's a different story. He got a little bit more power. I can tell on 125, a little bit of power. But how about this young man right here, Ryan Sipes, taking the win on the 125? Give him a round of applause. There you go.